Unlock the full power of WordPress custom post types. Are you at the point in your life where you want to organize your WordPress site? When we set out to accomplish a goal like cleaning up a WordPress website and organizing our content in such a way that makes us feel a sense of accomplishment. Automated landing pages for conversion to customers with no coding required. No configuring, no working it out, you're just working straight away. Custom post types and taxonomies are easy to manage with WordPress, which means we can organize our content more effectively. Reach your marketing goals with engaging content. Build high-converting landing pages, integrate forms, and automatic landing pages custom without coding, and sort them with categories and tags. Organizing content is why WordPress custom post types are so popular. Control every detail with custom post types including categories and taxonomies. Bring out the adding custom theme templates. It's even easier with WordPress 5.8 to organize. Custom field integration page templates, designer-made page blocks, and landing pages, to meet your needs, by separating them from your posts and pages. It's time to unleash the full power of WordPress custom post types. As a WordPress developer, I've carefully examined quite a few different factors in this regard. I've been practicing WordPress development for over 10 years, so you're sure of the highest quality possible. I feel like I accomplished something when I organize things and when I create custom post types versus assigning them to posts or pages. What are post types and taxonomies? By default, WordPress comes with post and pages. Post types refer to different types of content in a WordPress site and can be thought. Post types is a term used to refer to different types of content on a WordPress site. In all practical sense, it should be called content type. At Your Services is a custom post type for WordPress. 4 different post types in one plugin. No configuring, no working it out, you're just working straight away. A custom post type provides an easy-to-use interface for registering and managing. Comes with 25 revisions. To guarantee your customer satisfaction, need some hand-holding? Get in touch. Custom post types and included categories and tags for your website helps solve the problem of creating custom post types. You install at Your Services, and as a plugin bundle includes landing pages, services pages, reviews pages, FAQs pages, teams pages, portfolio pages, real estate pages, all separate different post types. Activate the plugin for the custom post type under Plugins, specifically for the service industry. Post types for the service sector. The custom post type can be used for a variety of services. If you're a plumber, if you're a builder, if you're a real estate agent, if you're a window cleaner, if you are a carpet cleaner. Just name a few examples that you can use it for. All the labels off the image text have been renamed for service. Add button has been customized for the service industry. It is really annoying to see product labels everywhere when you are working in the service industry. Comes with landing pages custom post type. Comes with services pages custom post type. Comes with team custom post type. Comes with reviews custom post type. Comes with FAQ custom post type. Compatible with ACF, additional custom fields. You will have the option of a custom post type if you let us know what industry you are in. Or maybe you want to showcase your work as an artist or a designer with client work. You can activate a portfolio custom post type to showcase your work on your site. Activate a real estate, recipes, and so much more. Activate your imagination and unleash the power of custom post types today. You can thank us later. Order this gig today.